check out the new apron. What is this? A mic. I'm unboxing it. For my loyal viewers, better sound.
I really hope this makes a huge difference in my audio. This lavalier, iPhone, microphone, better audio, thingamajig happening. And look at my apron. Thank you to my mom and her friend that made this and sent it up. And then my friend and her mom who figured out their machine for this beautifully placed Nutessi logo. Living the brand.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.